know say I beat up me see up a yard again. I mean, I feel broke you up, you know. Me I go send it down to your mother, you know. Come go on down to your mother. Come go on down to your mother.
Wanna stop now? Sure.
Hey youth, we are trying to blind lady for. I'm going to tell the father about you, you know. And now give nothing but beer trouble. Yeah, good evening, man. Man, I see that it's not little man, a Rastafari, man.
Oh?
I and I. We see look at trouble, I'm running with youth a while ago. Run gone, man, a bad pity that man. At first, I see you in that area, you know. Or you reach us for now.
You know, say, to tell you the truth, though. I run away because they know I'm blind and nobody really want me around. The rough still, but to tell you the truth, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm looking at auntie, you know?
The auntie name?
Shana.
I don't know the end name there, no. But it's good once you're on this corner, you understand? Because I'm bunny down, right? I mean, the fire youth in Nigeria. You understand? What's your name?
Shay.
Shay. You have a nice name though. You have a nice face to girl. Let me see nobody no want you. You look good.
Hello, I'm blind, you know?
Yeah, but
Yes, I'm blind, right?
me realize you're blind.
Okay.
If you couldn't see you not want to sleep. You don't want to stay down and look at the mirror all night. Mommy, how you look? You look good. I know nobody I know, you know. So, may I say something? Are you a virgin?
Of course.
Lord, a good time you come for a fit. I just say no come. Know yourself, like, the right place to come. Stretch out your hand and touch eye. No, next hand. Me there on the next side. Me there on the good side. Yeah, see that? It's me and you. Yeah, man, a Rasta man.
I can't feel firm.
Yeah, because me a Rasta. Hard work me do. Some of the hard work can take care of you. You understand? So take a time and come with me. Don't care if you don't yard. My yard go be your yard. You can't breathe though or you're virgin. You know what I mean? Come on. You know so can't breathe nothing. Listen, what just step on? Step over here. You can have a seat right here, sister. Yeah, that's right here, sister. See that? I see what you have to feel yourself on this place and feel space and see the next part right. See the next angle over here, so you sit down between you, so. Yeah, man. So do that. So you sit down right here, so I'm going to cook some food. Yeah, yo. What do you eat though?
I eat pork and chicken.
Even now, though you can't see me, you know, you're Rasta. I don't eat pork. But I will cook some callaloo for you because you look like your body needs blood. Yeah?
No, we don't eat bush.
You don't eat bush? Right, check out the door. But anyway, just go and make yourself at home. I'm going to turn on the radio for you later. But you see, after tomorrow, I'm going to carry on the kitchen. You can prepare one of the kingdom. You will be independent. Woman, you can move on the place and do your thing. Because you know, say, not because you're blind, you must be able to do a lot of different stuff. Nobody tell you. You believe in you, and you believe in yourself. You look good. You're alright. You have a good brain. Yeah, listen to me, not true?
Yeah.
Alright, don't say a word. Now go in the kitchen, go cook some food. Some more look out. Look up some chicken for you, dumpling and rice, and it's the truth you want.
Yeah.
Alright, don't say a word. Time has passed, and I think we have been through a lot. You have learned a lot. You see, you can't do everything and run your house, just like I told you from the beginning. You see, it really work out, and now the baby I get big same way. Yeah, honestly, we feel we should take it to another level. I think you should be my wife.
To tell you the truth, I really appreciate everything you do for me, because at the end of the day, you never did have to take me in, and all of this never did have to happen. But me just feel like one strong feeling the day when I really want to make that decision there until me actually can see if that's even possible.
Don't I make you happy though?
I didn't say you don't, but I really want to see what I'm doing and not just feel.
But in this time with us, if you just take it as you get it, you get everything else but your sight.
I don't know. Any day I can see and see how you look, I will marry you. But right now, I go consider it, alright?
Yo, I want for your look so.
One day I will in general, I tell her life itself though, you know? But you want to know, say, you see me a blind girl in my yard there. I try to get her to marry to me in general.
Eh?
And it's rough because she tell me say right now she can't see. She can't marry to me because she don't want to see the baby, she don't want to see me, she don't want to see what the world look like. When she born, she not see it, it's a sad story.
You know, so me have a link with one of my brethren named The Wise One. Yeah, man. Can grant wish. Real serious African thing, is it?
Genie thing, a fairy tale.
No, man. Real African power, you see me?
So, like, good. But now, I check him out. What are you saying there?
Alright, you know Kojo Gully?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, man. When you go Kojo Gully, you can't miss him one big, empty, unfinished house, you see me?
Enough respect. Smooth like the breeze, the earth with fire and the wind. Life itself is a balance. The blessed, holy one, spiritual one. I'm Bunny Dong. Oh, Mr. Bunny Dong, what is your problem? See, I have this girl, I meet her quite some year now. We get involved, we got a one daughter, and I want her to marry die, but she can't see, I see her blind. So now, I want her to marry to me, but she say only if she can see, she go marry to me, and I'm not happy until this comes true. So, one of my friends tell me that you are the right person, so I come to see you. So I wish to give her my sight and go blind, so she will marry me and then I can live happy ever after. But I've been listening to you, but I think you're a madman. Why would you want to give away your sight for someone you don't know her heart? But I'll do one thing for you. I will make this thing that I give you have a reverse. But the reverse is going to be very challenging. But if this person don't meet up to your expectation, you have to come and see me again. So what you do now, I hope that it work and you live and marry to her and live happy ever after. So, in my hand, I will show you the Lion of Judah. Touch it and receive the power. Now, be gone, half idiot. Wifey, I'm home. Or wife will be. How you doing?
You did alright, you know.
Well, I have a surprise for you today. I have a gift for you.
How would that know?
A surprise.
Anything you see?
So, what you want to know? We cannot tell that going forward, so wake me up at 7 o'clock, okay?
Alright.
Yeah, that's
I
what.
can't really see. So why your eye closed?
This is a surprise. I've traded my side for your side just to prove my love to you. Cause you say once you can see, you will marry me. So now that you can see, let's get married.
You know what I say? Me never know what I say it ugly.
I tried to tell
No.
you. I tried to tell you.
Look for me now.
I can't look at you, I'm blind.
What me really I do with you?
What I'm saying now, let's get serious. Invite everybody to the wedding. Everybody to come. I have my diary inside the room and just look in it and look in my phone book and get all the numbers and invite everybody. We gonna get married. I can hear wedding bells ringing.
Alright. Here what? May I go in the room and come back here?
Alright.
Don't move.
Alright. Come sit on my lap when I come back, right here, baby.
Alright, I'm gonna sit right there.
Right here.